take sweet potatoes, tomatoes.
Hello good people, hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking. In today's video we are going to share our freezer meals batch cooking as we just pack them and arrange, and these are must-have meals. Yeah, so we'll first check what is in the fridge, then after that we are going to pack what we have already cooked, and then we're just going to arrange with you. So we are going to start here. We have black beans. We have already boiled all of them. I'm sure you have watched our batch cooking in a previous video. So I thought in this one, I'll just share the outcome. And I've also shared a review and how the Mika pressure cooker works. So I didn't feel the need to redo it. Yeah. So after the black beans, we have green peas here. Okay, then we have green grams here already boiled. Then we have white butter beans. Then we have maize. Why I boil it in full is because I can eat some as boiled maize, and I can also use it to make some githeri. Then here we have some arrowroots and sweet potatoes. Yeah, so this is going to take us some time. Yeah, everything over there. This is currently how the freezer looks like. It needs some cleaning, which I'll do off camera. But we have ice cream here. This is cheese. At the back there we have broth, and this is also broth. And then we have hot dogs. We have some green peas. We have some sausages. We have some fish. Yeah, and of course at the door we have more broth, and we have, this is for content, this is tomato juice, is for our videos. And then we have mozzarella cheese, and we have more broth. Yeah, so the next thing now we need to do is put them in containers so that we can arrange them in the freezer. So we're going to start with arrowroots and sweet potatoes, which I usually put in this big container.
Just find it and take it, don't let regret it, make me your only one.
How do you store your arrowroots and sweet potatoes for longer? Comment down below, because I realized I had bought too much, but I usually keep them for a while. Once again, this time the overcooking was not bad. I'm slowly learning how to manage the pressure cooker time. If you watched our previous video, I shared the pros and cons of a pressure cooker, and of course this is one of them. I'll link it down below. The next thing we are going to pack is black beans. I think this will be like 3 packs, because one will be slightly bigger. So the black bean turned out to be 3 containers, this and this, and they're already cold, so I'll just cover them and store them. The next thing is beans. We're also going to pack 3 packs, I guess. I didn't think they were not much, but now they seem like they are not a lot than like I had pot. So putting into use our butter. So putting into use a blue band container. I love it. The quality is really good. So this also is 3 packs. The next thing we have is the green grams. This seems to be a lot. It was not just a kg, it was more than a kg, and the rest were 1 kg each. That's why it's really a lot, and I don't like them, but well, we will struggle with them because we have to balance. So for the green grams, we have 4 containers. You can see. Also, it's already cooled, so it's just covering and storing. So we have them there. The final thing is the maize. So this is where we're going to put the maize. But there is a problem because I can't find the lid. I'll have to look for it. And if I don't find it, like now, I'll just use cling film for now. And the final thing is the green peas. So let me set them up for packing. For green peas, I use this smaller container because the price nowadays, you can't cook in bulk. But the rate I got yesterday was a good one, so I can't complain. Yeah, so I think everything is in place. We just need to cover and store them. I think we are sorted for a while. So this is how they look like. We have the black beans, we have the arrowroots and sweet potatoes, we have the beans, and on top there we have the green grams, and then we have more green grams, and then we have green peas and the maize over there. On the next part of this video, we are going to do a mini shopping haul. This is a shopping haul which was done by Daniela before she resumed school. So don't be surprised. It's just that I had not shared it. So Daniela, are you ready to take us through the haul?
Yes.
Okay.
So we have sodas. We have Fanta Orange, Coke.
And you're talking so slowly.
Sprite.
Yes.
And Fanta Passion.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can move them this side.
And is it?
Mm.
Easy.
Yeah, you can do that. Those one.
We have Hanan serviettes, 100 pieces.
Move here. You are far from the camera. Santa Lucia.
We have
Forgotten.
Santa Lucia spaghetti.
Mm-hmm.
We have hot dog buns.
Mm-hmm. You continue with those ones.
We have sunrise rice.
Mm-hmm. Be a bit faster. Parsley.
We have parsley. We have Hanan wet wipes. Other hot dog buns. And Colgate toothpaste. We have hot dogs.
Of course,
So?
to go with the buns.
Yes.
Finish this one.
Capsicum red. We have peas. We have beef sausages.
What?
Beef. We have beef itself. Yes.
This is mutton.
We have mutton. Chicken. And we have a chicken. Oh.
Bring this one and put them back to the fridge.
And continue.
We are waiting for you to say.
I have Simon.
You can call them buns also.
We have buns.
Yeah.
We have Hanan. Hanan what?
Wet wipes also.
What wipes? Yes.
Hey, watch out for the eggs.
Oh,
Breadcrumbs.
We have bread crumbs. Yeah, tunajaza hapo. We have eggs. We have mozzarella cheese. We have tuzo milk.
How many packets?
We have 5 packets. Tuzo milk.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't pick like that because it's going to open.
We have flour. We have cabbage.
On this sack, I'll show them tomorrow. This is black one.
Potatoes. Tomatoes. Potatoes.
Tomatoes.
Peppers. Have a ginger. Other peppers. Cucumbers. Bell peppers. Lemons or limes?
Lemons.
How many peppers are here?
Don't pick them. Show us the next thing. Don't remove everything at those peppers. Just show us the next thing. And there's a mosquito which wants to bite you.
Have onion.
You're lifting and you're low, so don't lift. Okay, so now say.
We have an onion.
That's it.
Yeah.
So you tell them that's it.
Oh, that's it.
So you tell them see you tomorrow as we cook.
See you tomorrow as we cook.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. See you on our next one. Bye bye.